Hey, welcome to another statistics video. I'll be showing you how to calculate a test statistic for proportions with one sample. So unfortunately in Excel there's no easy way to do it, so we'll just have to use this formula right here. So it's p hat minus p over the square root of pq over n. And you're asking, what the hell do all these things stand for? Well, most of these things should be given to you. So let me go to a problem I can show you. Okay, so we got our p hat, which is given here. And if you didn't have it, you could calculate that easily. You just take the number of successes divided by your sample size. Okay, so that's how you would calculate p hat if you were given the successes and the sample size. But they give us p hat, so we'll just use that. Sample size is right there, which is your n. P, that's given. So Q is going to be the complement of P. So we'll just do 1 minus P. That's going to be your Q. So everything that we need to find our test statistic. So we'll use that formula that I had up earlier. This one right here. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll need to use parentheses. So we'll take P hat, this, minus the P, and we'll divide that by the square root of P times Q divided by the sample size. Parentheses there, and there's the test statistic. Alright, now to get the p-values, we'll use norms this because this is a z-score. So this will give us the left-tailed probability. To get the right tail, we'll just take the complement of this. And to get the two-tailed, we'll take, since this is a negative z-score here, we'll take the left tail, multiply that by 2. If this was a positive z-score, we'll take the right tail probability and multiply that by 2. As well, that's pretty much it. See that formula that I showed you, this one right here. Getting all these values will be easy. Should be given to you in the problem. Other than that, that's pretty much it. No easy way to do it in Excel, unfortunately. But yeah, can't really go wrong. Just make sure you use your parentheses for the top subtraction, and you're good to go. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.